How to wash your hair without shampoo. Does your hair always feel greasy or limp? Do you have dandruff, a dry, spicy and scaly leather? Are you still changing your shampoo because you are not happy with the odor it uses? What if I tried the nopoo method and stop using the shampoo at all? Instead of shampoos filled with chemical products, try some natural forms for silky and soft hair. Using organic ingredients, they work with oil that makes your hair naturally. Your hair feels clean. Not convinced? Here are some reasons to avoid the use of shampoo. The shampoo is expensive. Think about all the cash you would save per year in shampoo and conditioner. The shampoos are full of chemicals and parabens that bother your scalp and hair. When using the shampoo, it makes your scalp form more oil than necessary. The use of shampoo can make your hair fall, frizzy, dull, and dry. When you do not use the shampoo, you would like to buy less things. And no need to wash your hair the maximum time. Ready to try? This is how you wash your hair without using the shampoo. Before starting, confirm that it has a good bicarbonate of soda and apple vinegar. You need soda bicarbonate to require the smell and oil from the roots of your hair, and to exfoliate or eliminate dead cells from the scalp. Apple's vinegar will work as a conditioner, making the hair soft and bright. First steps: mix 1 part of refreshment bicarbonate with 3 parts water. For different hair lengths, you will have to change the dimensions of the mixture. Put the mixture in your damp or dry hair, starting at the roots of the hair and making your gratitude to the advice. Leave it to take a seat in your hair for 1 to 3 minutes, then wash it with warm water. Then, rinse with a mix of apple vinegar. To do this, mix 1 apple vinegar part with 4 parts of water. If you are worried some smell of vinegar, you will add mint, lavender or rosemary to the current mixture. To make sure you do not catch you in your eyes, tilt your head before pouring the mixture about your hair. Let it feel for a couple of seconds, then rinse with cold water. This will help keep hair moist, soften it and add a brightness. The best thing thanks to doing that is to use only the soda bicarbonate in the roots, and therefore the vinegar, in the ideas and lengths of your hair, and to rinse your hair well between each part. For some people, it takes a couple of weeks to start working. If you want more videos, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and advice, subscribe the channel.